Welcome to Wolvox ERP New Client Record Training. To record all clients, you can click on New Client Card Record placed on Client module. To record client first, you should define code manually or automatically. For automatically generating code, use Admin, Settings, General Settings, and from Client Settings, select Auto-Generate Client Code. Also use Admin, Settings, Country Records to define client's living place. Use F5 to add cities. Now on New Client Card Record, let's fill in data. Here I will add status, commercial title, name, surname, and address. Also, I'll select country and city as I already defined. Let's define group and middle group for our client. Type name and explanation. And press F5 to add middle group. Click on Add Photo button and select Image. To show photo in original size, click on the Center button. Click on Cross to delete image. With Webcam feature, you can add photo from webcam device. From Account Info segment, you may set some special adjustments for clients. You may define custom discounts by selecting its type and writing discount ratio. You can select Use Client Discounts on Invoice Delivery, Offer and Order modules. If you define due rate, prices will increase on Invoice Delivery, Offer and Order modules. You may also select one of Ask While Exporting Client or Ask While Exporting Stock choices. If you select Ask While Exporting Client, then while you select Client, there will be open up a window asking you to select stock price. In the same way, if you select Ask While Exporting Stock, while you select stock, program would be asked you to choose a price for stock. If you desire to use due for client, you may select and define it upon monthly or daily basis. Use Risky Customer if your client doesn't make payments on time or you want to block him. You may write comments about the risk on below box. When you select this client, program will show you notes. Select client's purchasing group as retail or wholesale. If you use foreign currency with this client, select it. From third segment, ID card info, you can define client's identification info. Select ID card class and fill in necessary fields. If client is authorized for more than one company, you may record it simply by clicking on plus sign below and typing client code. Next, type name and other related information. To add new client code, press plus sign. Custom Info 1 tab can be used for adding more details about clients. You can add information such as credit card, email, web, and bank accounts. If you are using mobile sales program and client takes place in a route, you may select from here. You can add route code and sequence in route as well. To add routes, use Admin, Group Entries, Route Groups, and define group name. If you are using e-commerce program, you can add client's username, password, and web address from this part. Custom Info 2 tab is for guarantor info, name, surname, phone, and address. If client has different invoice and shipment addresses, you may add its data from here. Please note that you can add your staff as clients. So if this person is one of your staff and gains premiums from sales, select this part and define yielded percent from product or labor. Add PDA password which will be used while signing in mobile PDA program. In the same way, if he is your service staff, select the option, and if he is waiters, select and type password while logging in restaurant PDA program. If one marketer is dealing with your defined client, you may add relevant marketer's client code from here. Use Notes tab to add further comments. You can select from previously defined notes. Press plus to add more. From Balances tab, you can find client's total debit and credit information. You may define a credit limit for your client so that in credit surplus, you will be alerted automatically by program. On the other hand, you have opportunity not to include unpaid checks to total limit. In the case that you use service module, use service info for recording client product information which will be handled in service. You may automatically add product information to service while you sell products. To do this, go to Admin, Settings, General Settings, and from Service Settings, select Add Stock Information to Client as Service Product in Sales Invoice. You can add fields which don't take place in Custom Info tabs from Custom Definitions. Simply click on Settings, add category name, and define data type from related fields. For more details, please check Client Custom Definitions video. If you use CRM module, use CRM tab on Client Cards and fill in data for getting related reports. Client sector, annual earning, and employee number can be added. If client is a potential one, add his status and rating, and how you realize this client from source segment. Click to save from checkmark, use plus to add another client, or delete to remove. Now let's define above segments. From transaction button, define new client transaction. Use process button to perform invoice, define cargo deliveries, create an offer or order, and record service bill. Send all information to clipboard. Will keep all data in the memory so that you can paste them later. From installment button, open client's installment and add his payment. From file button, you may add any document to your client. Here I will finish new client recording. Thank you for your consideration.